been to Chicago. I know them winters be treacherous.
Babe, I'm filming a tutorial and IGTV. I need you to get out.
You need to be done because we're about to leave.
I know. Welcome back to the channel. So welcome to Vlogmas day 8. As you guys can tell by the title, this is going to be a get ready with me for my 21st birthday. Your girl is finally 21. What is that noise? Nala, are you locked in my closet? Aw, she got stuck in there. Come on. Anyways, if you guys saw the previous vlog, you guys saw the makeup that I was wearing when we went out to dinner. And I got so many requests on Instagram to show you guys how I did that makeup. So thank goodness I filmed myself getting ready. So you guys are going to be seeing that today. And I also have all the products linked down below for you guys. I just wanted to say thank you all so much for all the happy birthday wishes. You guys were all so incredibly sweet. Like, I had such an amazing birthday yesterday. So thank you guys so much for making my birthday so special. And also, if you're new to the channel, hello, welcome. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button down below. We are uploading every single day until Christmas, so make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and also hit that post notification button so you'll never miss out on an upload from us. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. First things first, primer. I'm going in with my Sicily Double Tensieux primer. Matches my robe, it's so cute. But this stuff is really pricey. It's $200 for this little bottle, and I know that's crazy. It took me a while to actually purchase it because of the price, but a little goes a long way. So the bottle will last you a really, really, really long time. So it's kind of worth it. I mean, it's our birthday. This is the day to use, you know, bougie ass primer. Then for foundation, I'm going in with my Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. I'm in the shade Warm Natural. This is one of my favorites. So this really is waterproof. The other day I was wearing this and I was like laughing so hard that I cried. So I was like, oh my God, like my makeup's gonna get ruined. And I literally looked in the mirror and I swear this foundation like repelled the water droplets. I could like feel them bouncing off of my skin. Going in with my Bobbi Brown corrector in light to medium peach. I'm literally almost out of this stuff, so I have to like scrape it with the back of my nail to like get it out. But I'm just gonna use this to correct some of the darkness under my eyes. You guys know I love this stuff. For concealer, I'm going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. It's so hard right now to talk and do my makeup at the same time because I'm filming an IGTV at the same time that I'm filming this. So it's like, you know, in IGTV you have to be like posed and cute and like, cause it's like quick cuts. So it's like hard for me to talk while I'm doing it too. So we're going to dinner tonight to Toca Madera. It's one of my favorite restaurants here in LA. They have like, it's Mexican food, but like not real Mexican food, you know, it's like bougie, $15 for 2 tacos type Mexican food, you know what I mean? So I'm excited. This pimple had to come on my face at the worst time possible. It's because I got a facial 2 days ago, so I broke out afterwards, which is pretty common after a facial. I also broke out like right here too, but I can just tell by the way the pimple came out. It's like, you know, something that was underneath the skin that needed to come out, you know, it's not like a new breakout. So just unfortunate it had to be during my birthday week. Powder, you guys already know the drill. I'm just gonna gonna apply a little bit of pencil to my eyebrows. I have a little bit of brow wiz on from this morning, but just like a little bit, so I'm just gonna intensify it a little more, but not too much. So I'm gonna set them in place with my Benefit 24-hour brow setter. I love this for like a spiky brow. I'm gonna carve out my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using my Makeup Forever HD concealer for this just because I like the consistency. And I'm just gonna clean up my brows. So I love to just apply it straight from the tube first and then I take a small brush. I just feel like that's the easiest way. I zoomed you guys in a bit for the eyes, but I'm gonna take that same concealer we used to clean up our brows and I'm actually gonna use that to prime my eyelids. Just gonna set that in place. So it took me a second to pick the palette because I was looking through my drawer, but I finally decided to go with the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't think I've ever used this palette before and I've had it for such a long time. So I'm gonna be doing a gold halo eye, but I'm running out of time. So I'm gonna speed through this, but I'm gonna be using this palette for the halo eye and I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Like glitter shadow in the shade Flirty Birdie in the center. So let's get into it. So I applied liquid eyeliner to the top. This is Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. Now I'm gonna take the NARS High Pigment Longwear Eyeliner and I'm just going to tight line before I apply falsies. And for falsies, I'm using my favorite Lily Lashes in the style Miami Flare. And my coupon code for that is NAS10. I believe I'll put a link to it down below, but I love these lashes.
Never been to Chicago. I know them winters be treacherous.
Babe, I'm filming a tutorial and IGTV. I need you to get out.
You need to be done because we're about to leave.
I know, my makeup's almost done. Like my eyes are done, my face is done. I just have to put on lips.
House looks filthy. One of them like threw up on the fucking dog bed.
I'm running out of time, so a few more things I need to do is just bronze up the skin. For blush, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Blush in Nectar. This is one of my all-time favorites. Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy Highlighter. Went in with MAC Fix Plus first. And then lighter. We are done with the makeup. I got my hair done at the Bellamy Beauty Bar earlier today. They just put in my extensions, which are from Bellamy, of course, and they just loosely curled it, so my hair is finished as well. I'm just going to get dressed and show you guys the final look. Okay, so I put on my dress. I'm gonna use my fragrance for the night. This is the NARS. I think NARS only has one fragrance, so it's that one. Just gonna spray some on. So this dress might look familiar to you guys. This was in my Misguided haul. So yeah, the dress is from Misguided. It looks really good with the bump. But yeah, it's just nude, maxi, really cute. So yeah, guys, I'm about to head out. I'll see you guys when I'm at dinner. So that's how I did my birthday makeup. And again, that was the day before my birthday when we went out to dinner, but Mel also planned me a whole day on my actual birthday. But you guys are gonna be seeing that in tomorrow's vlog, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And I didn't like really get glam yesterday, so I'm glad I have this video for the dinner because I actually like did my makeup and stuff. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again for our next one. Bye guys.